Stockton's a beachside, harbour-side community in Newcastle that's on the up at the moment.
It's just a casual village, and that's what we wanted instead of just living in a suburb. Coming from the country, the village appealed to us to make friends and that sort of thing. We had this home, it was an investment home for a while, and then we lived in the country on 3.5 acres, and so we moved down here as a downsize, but we needed the extra space.
And they moved down from the country, so they wanted to make it more of a beachy theme, but also comfortable so that they could enjoy having their family and that sort of stuff come and visit. So
Vogue was recommended to us by our planner, and we had an appointment and met Troy. And just because of his personality and thoroughness and his manner, we just decided to go with them. We felt very comfortable.
It's a really great relationship. By the end of it, we felt like we were part of the family.
I think that was the important part, was that we felt comfortable with Troy from the moment we met him. And then that relationship grew to be, he just became like an older, younger son.
It's part of the family.
So this project, the clients were looking to just do a small alteration. We've turned it into, a very smart 2-bedroom house now with a rather large kitchen and entertaining area, but it's also got a big double garage out the back with carport and a loft upstairs. So.
This was a very, very old house, and so, there were issues where we had some asbestos that they found. There was, walls that were crooked. Nothing was a problem. They took that stress away from us, and that was fabulous.
Just the aspect of being able to bring some of the older houses into the modern era is what I enjoy. We did use a lot of fibrous cement, simply because of the location and it's close to the ocean. We use stainless steel fixings, we've used modwood for the decking and those sorts of things, so they've got longevity.
The initial build on the house was right just before COVID, and then the initial lockdown. So it was quite scary. You didn't know whether they were able to continue. You didn't know whether one of us, either one of them or one of us, was going to be sick in a week. It was quite a frightening time. And he just took all that stress away, but kept you in the loop. And was it okay if we now did it this way? And it was really good. And I guess the other favourite thing was it was just nice to have 2 really nice guys around the house, and when you weren't allowed to see anyone else, we look forward to seeing them every day as well.
We just need to be open and honest with the client, and they can also be open and honest with us. We've been more than happy for them to come to us and talk to us about it, because we need to be able to do is have open communication.
I couldn't think of a more capable, honest, straightforward, quality business that you go with to get any building done.
Trusting a builder is a really big thing. It costs a lot of money, it takes a lot of time and planning and a lot of decisions. They take that stress as much as possible away. They do what they say they're going to do, and as well as the quality of work is just second to none. So you end up with a beautiful finished home of a high quality, a high standard, a home that you can be proud of. I'd just say don't get anybody else.